Okay, this is about 9 o'clock in the evening at the lake, and this is just spectacular. The rays from the setting sun. Never seen anything like this. Just beautiful. At the same time that the sun is shooting those rays as it's setting, we have the moon in back of us. It's almost full, not quite. Spectacular. Mother Nature. This is about 10 minutes later. It's still going. Those incredible rays. So we are doing a video of a painting I'm going to create from the inspiration of the sunset. But, you know, there's no way that in a short video like this and doing a piece that I may work on for a couple of hours is going to really represent what we saw. So I want to convey the feeling of awe and joy in actually seeing this incredible sunset. I'm going to extend the sky. I'm going to make it lower. See if this works. I'm filling in some of the blue background in the sky. Okay, so I'm gonna go back in here and work on the sun spray, I'm gonna call it. And this was absolutely the most gorgeous sunset that we had ever seen. My last favorite was in New Mexico. I was coming down a mountain driving, and it was this incredible, I had never seen such intense colors in a sunset. And it had cloud formations and things in it. And when I got to a certain part in the road, it just filled the whole sky. It was incredible. It's the stuff that Mother Nature does. I mean, you know, this is what I'm doing here is really an impressionistic thing. Maybe sometime I'll do a full-blown oil painting of it. But there's no way that you can, or an artist can reproduce what Mother Nature does. I'm just trying to give you an inkling of what we were feeling as we were watching this unfold in the sky. So I'm just about finished. Just doing a little cleanup. So thank you all for watching and subscribing and sharing and commenting. And I hope that you have really enjoyed this. It's, you know, my channel is pretty much dedicated to relaxation and creativity. And I hope that that's what you've gotten out of it. And please like, subscribe, and share so that we can grow the channel. And if you have already liked and subscribed and shared, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Enjoy each and every day. And until we see each other in a few days, bye-bye for now.